Hello and welcome to Wrong Their Life is Art, another video for my YouTube channel. I'm just here to quickly share some keychain, key charm journals that for my journals that I made. I shared these on Facebook and I just thought I'd do a quick video so you could see what's going on with these charms. So I've decided I'm going to be keeping these three myself. I have made a total of 7. There's 3 each of these, and I'll be sharing them with you on Etsy. So as you can see, there's only one of them. I've been collecting the charms off of that for quite a while. I'm just wondering whether that's the first one I should share with you. And it comes with your key, the Cheshire Cat. There's a little tag there saying, "We're all quite mad here, you'll fit right in." There's a bottle saying, "Drink me." There's a crown, a teapot for the tea, representing the tea party, mushroom for the caterpillar, white rabbit, a clock, a heart for the queen, and the flamingo as well. And then this that I managed to get a hold on to. So I think there's a little playing card as well. So I hope you like that. I'm not sure if I've missed anything, but there's plenty going on there. I'm making a journal using Artie Maze's digital kit, Alice in Wonderland, so I'm hoping this one might go on to that one, but I've made these as well because I don't know what kind of tones I'm going to be using. This is the vintage one that I'll be offering the others on Etsy for this. So these come with there's some leaves, a key, a lock. There's a little mushroom. I don't have any more of them in my stash, and I don't know if I can get hold on to any more of them. Is that focused? Sorry. I've got the rabbit there, white rabbit, double-sided. Can't find any more of these teapots at the moment either. Really liked them. It's got tea time written on the other side. I always find these hard to get the bronzed charms, so if anybody knows, please leave a comment below or send me a message on where you can find bronze charms from. There's a little playing card there. Those I had very limited ones left of them. Just thought it reminded me of the Cheshire Cat. Then a little glass bottle with some twine for representing the drink me business, and a little clock there. You can imagine Mad Hatter checking the time as well for the tea party with that, and of course the heart representing the queen. And then there's these ones. These will be up on the 2 will be up on Etsy. Sorry about my voice, but the group Facebook group members will know I've not been well, so I hope I don't sound too bad in the video. There's your key, your drink me, your playing card, if it just focuses there. You've got the white rabbit, a crown for the queen, and I love that. I only had a few of them. I'm mad as a hatter. The teapot with the cup for the tea party, and of course the heart again. So these are all on swivel clasps, but you could change them onto a key ring if you wanted, or attach the key ring onto those 2 loops there. I hope you like them, and as I said before, if you're interested in purchasing either of these, I'll only have 2 each available, and they'll be going up on my I think there's one of those that are spoken for and another person's considered. But there you go. Thanks for letting me share, and hope to see you back here soon with a few of my other journals. Bye.